Hey everybody, if you guys are watching this now, there's thunderstorms and there's fireworks at the same time, and the sun is setting, and there's thunderstorms, fireworks, man, they're all over the place. So much now. I can't take this anymore. Thunderstorms everywhere. But it usually be on this side, but the most it's gonna get bad. As soon as they hit together, it's gonna be like thunderstorms again. Wow, it's gone crazy. Oh my god. If you guys want to see some more, make sure you guys comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and yeah. Hey y'all, this is really crazy. This is really crazy. I'm sorry that it's really blurry. It's just sorry that's really blurry. So sorry. Oh my god, there's smoke everywhere! Smoke is everywhere! Oh my god. Okay, that's it for now.